the Lord. Why was he shouting for the battle of the Lord? Why is it that he lost the wife of his gladiators? He said, what does what I was have access to? The lady that was taking her bait, the bedroom that was right from the bedroom. She lost that woman because the battle arose against him. Was he about to go into something other to go into? That he knew that God lost him so much. They were not to commit errors that will make God be angry. Yes, sir. After I sent the best away, the person not become conscious. You know, that's the question. Why have I done this? A man that was working in the company of a building where they are selling beers. He doesn't take beers at all. He was only working there. He wants to go and store beers in his pocket. He got out the gate, but saw beers in his pocket. 4. They asked him question. You are going home with beers. Not even 3 or 4 years in the government. They asked him a question. Why don't you go with the beers? He knows they don't go out with beers here. Why are you going home with beers? He said, he said, he's only going home with the beers. After not take beers, so he said, he just want to go with it. He was sacked because the Bible doesn't want to enter his life. It is bring forth own mistakes. That is not about you. We saw someone's father's wife. If he's objecting that me, Alamo by name, he's not Alamo that's talking. Alamo. I myself, God forbid, I cannot marry 2 wives at all. If the battle was not, if it's about if the wife says not having a choice again, what will he do? And it's begging his wife. The wife said no. If it's not a sharp patient at all, the wife might pack out. The first, second, third year, he must have found the second wife. The wife never say, okay, quite 3 days. Well done. I don't even know what happened that time. Because the battle was to penetrate again. He said, cannot pack out from his apartment. And they don't pack out. What will she do? Because it was allowed. We must have undermined it. We don't go there at all. But God says the Lord God. If you can save oh, you consumed the foundation. David was shouting when the battle was against him. He became conscious. He was shouting. That problem was trying to adjust it. He was trying to manage it. The son right back home to go with his wife. He said, cannot stay with that. He was trying to give him the person. He don't go back home. He said, problem was certain. He said, I took the battle for him. And he was supplicated and he died. Nobody knew, but Job knew. That's why Job was objecting against it. You don't attack because he knew the skill of David. You must be very careful. If enemy has the secret to your hands, yes, if you threaten with us, because of that, you must be very careful. You must not mess up so that you cannot be saved. The person how to control tell you, okay, sit down there. You will sit down because you don't allow him to talk at all. So he did Joab David became a fool. Joab was commanding. If you have to the task, don't go outside. Your son died, and smash that. If you are not trying to lie, you become a bastard. David have no option because he knew the secrets. He said, hey, wọ́n máa gbàgbọ́ dáadáa. Ibọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ni. Yes sir. Tèmi family ni wọ́n. Ibọn ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀ ni. Òní gẹ́rẹ́ àti tẹ̀lé. Ọ̀gá. Yes sir. Ọyẹ wa búra pẹ́. Lẹ́tà àjọ òní bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi náà. Ó ní photocopy lọ́wọ́. Ẹ̀bẹ̀ ó wà náà. Ẹ̀bẹ̀ yìí lẹ́ni kí n ta kéde tí mo fi tó wò. Ọyẹ wa sọ tó ju ogbe yẹn. Come and say before everybody now. Ẹ̀sẹ̀ ìyàwó rẹ̀ kọ́ ló bímọ fún yín. Ariwo òye ó pọ̀ nínú ìlú lélẹ̀. So Dábìdì wá dìdìrì sọ́wọ́ Jóábù toró fọ́ sí lọ́wọ́ ẹnáwó yẹn sá. Torí ogun ìpìlẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́. Yes sir. Ó jẹ́ kó ṣubú. He allowed him to fall. In the hands of those who are not discharged. I pray. Ogun ìpìlẹ̀. Sọ́nà fẹ́ sọ ọ́ dilẹ̀. They want to bring you down. Èmi rẹ̀ iná ọ̀pọ̀. I send us fire. Bámi bá lé. If you can say strong enough. Iná gbé mi o. Ogun ìpìlẹ̀. Foundational battles. Tó fẹ́ sọ ọ́ dì.
Now to bring you down.
Mo sọ tẹ́lẹ̀.
I prophesy.
Iná gbé mi o. Ogun ìfọ̀.
Foundational battles.
Tó fẹ́ sọ.
That want to bring you down.
Mo sọ tẹ́lẹ̀.
I prophesy.
Iná gbé mi o.
The power of God will swallow it.
Ogun ìfọ̀.
Foundational battles.
Tó fẹ́ sọ di.
That want to bring you down.
Èmi gbàdúrà.
I pray for your life.
Iná parí ẹ̀.
All your God will consume the battle.
Ogun ìpìlẹ̀.
Foundational battles.
Tó fẹ́ sọ di.
That want to bring you down.
Mo gbàdúrà.
I pray.
Iná yẹjú ẹ̀.
Consume the battle.
Dábìdì kọ́ lọ́jẹ̀bi.
David was not guilty at
Ẹ máa
all.
padà lọ pilẹ̀.
Let's look at the foundation. How they was bringing